I'd like to thank our partners at Flex Seal for powering our science mission and sponsoring this video so that we can stay informed and educated as severe weather strikes. It's even a bit of a wall cloud. Gizmo. Coming apart with all the glass panels. They're getting blown through right now. Massive gorilla hail from a supercell in the Pecos Valley of Texas shattered my side mirror in 2020, and Category 4 Hurricane Laura finished it off for good. I decided to fix my mirror with flex tape. Hi, I'm Storm Chaser Retimmer. This is my storm chasing vehicle, the Dominator Fore. Now that it's spring with a long storm season ahead, I'm making some big time fixes, some temporary fixes to the Dominator to make it safe as I go down the road from target area to target area. I blew out this side mirror in some big time hailstorms, one in the Pecos Valley of southwestern Texas, and then again, Hurricane Laura, Category 4 hurricane, finished off my side mirror. So my plan is to mount this mirror using flex tape so that I can drive safely from target area to target area this spring. There's already a threat of big time hail across North Texas tomorrow evening, and I need to get there safely. So I'm going to be mounting these driving mirrors across Dominator Fore. So first, I plan to mount a couple of loops of flex tape on the back of the mirror. That'll secure it in place, and then I'm going to wrap the final mount of flex tape all the way around the back of the mirror as well, and that will help seal it in place. Never stop flexing. So this loop is going to go on the back of the mirror, like so. Here's the infrastructure of the mirror, and then I'm going to use this new adhesive backing on the side mirror to temporarily lock it in place. So now I've mounted the mirror in place temporarily first, and then I'm going to use flex tape and put it around the rest of the infrastructure, mounting all the way around the backside, and I'll basically have a new temporary side mirror fixture. So now I'm cutting down this final piece of flex tape. This will be the backing of the mirror. So now I'm going to mount this around the back of the mirror. This is going to go attach on the front side and then wrap all the way around to the back side. All those wires are going to go inside of the mirror. So now I'm wrapping this around the back of the mirror, and I'm going to have a third contact point on the other side, and that will anchor it in place. Beautiful side mirror fixture. Driving side mirror is now fixed with flex tape. Couple more layers securing that in place, and I'm going to be good to drive to my North Texas target area. Gorilla hail expected tomorrow night, as a very cold bowling ball of air aloft is going to move over relatively modest moisture, mid-upper 50s dew points. So the first big hail day of the year expected, Northeast Texas tomorrow evening. I'd like to thank our partners at Flex Seal for powering our science mission and sponsoring this video so that we can stay informed and educated when severe weather strikes.